Welcome back, and today I'll show you how to manually download game updates on your Xbox Series X. So all you have to do is power on your console and access the home screen, and then from here find the game that you'd like to check for an update for or manually update, and then highlight on it, and then press the menu button on your Xbox controller, which has 3 lines, the button that has 3 lines. And then from the options that appear, select manage game and add-ons, choose that. And then from this page, you'll see the option updates. So select that. And if you have an update available, you'll see that particular update there. And now you can install that particular update. Alternatively, you can press the Xbox button on your controller and then to bring this menu, and then go to my games and apps, select that, and then select see all. And then from here, scroll down and select manage, and then select updates. And then from here, if there's any game that has an update, you'll see that update there. And now you can download it from this particular page. So that's basically it on how to manually update your games on the Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.